Example 8.6. Calculate the momentum and the de Broglie wavelengths in the following cases. 1. An electron with kinetic energy 2 electron volt. 2. A bullet of 50 gram fired from rifle with a speed of 200 meter per second. 3. A 4000 kg car moving along the highways at 50 meter per second. Hence show that the wave nature of matter is important at the atomic level, but it is not really relevant at the macroscopic level. Now in each case we have to find it out, the momentum and the de Broglie wavelength. We'll do one by one, and then we have to finally prove that is the wave nature of matter is important only at the atomic level, not at the macroscopic level. Okay, so first we'll go for finding the momentum of the electron. Okay, momentum of electron. So momentum is given by the formula root of 2mk. K is kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy given? The kinetic energy is 2 electron volt. So we can write it is root of 2 into mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into kinetic energy is 2 into, it is given in electron volts, so you have to write it in joules as 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. We have to multiply. Now this is, if you multiply all these values, you will be getting it as 58.24 into 10 raised to minus 50. Taking the root, we will get it as 7.63 into 10 raised to minus 25. The unit for momentum is kilogram meter per second. Now we will find out the de Broglie wavelength. Okay. So the de Broglie wavelength is lambda is equal to h by p. So lambda is equal to h value is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 7.63 into 10 raised to minus 25. Now if we divide these values, you will be getting it as 0.868 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Now this can be written as 8.68 into 10 raised to minus 10, which is 8.68 angstrom. Okay. So now we have found out for electron. Now we'll go for finding for the bullet. Okay. So momentum of bullet. Here we have to use the formula. Here for bullet, what is given? Mass and speed are given. What is the mass given? Mass is 50 gram and the speed is 200 meter per second. Speed is how much? 200 meter per second. So we'll find it out. P is equal to what? mv. So it is mass is in grams. So we have to write it in kilogram as 10 raised to minus 3. 50 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 200. So you'll be getting it as 10. Okay, 10 kilogram meter per second. Now we have to find out the wavelength. Okay, so de Broglie wavelength of bullet. For bullet is lambda is equal to h by p. So that is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by momentum is 10. So it is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 35 meter. Now the third case we have to go for the car. So momentum of car. Here the mass is given as 4000 kg and the velocity is equal to 50 meter per second. Okay. So here it is P is equal to mv. So it is 4000 into 50. So what will you get? 20,000 you will get 2 lakhs will get it. Okay. So that can be written as 2 into 10 raised to 5. Now from de Broglie wavelength, lambda is equal to h by p. There is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 2 into 10 raised to 5. If you divide it, you will be getting 3.313 into 10 raised to minus 39 will get it. Okay. Now in all the three cases, for an electron, we got the value of wavelength as 8.68 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. For bullet, the wavelength is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 35 meter. And for car, it is 3.313 into 10 raised to minus 39 meter. Okay. Now from these wavelengths, you can find it out. For electron, the value is greater. But for the bullet and the car, the values is very, very small. Okay. Now these values cannot be measured using an experiment also. But this 10 raised to minus 10 value can be measured by using diffraction studies. But for bullet and car, this wavelength cannot be measured using what? Even with any experiment. Okay. So this shows that the wave nature of matter is only important for atomic level and it is not relevant for the macroscopic level. Here these two are in macroscopic levels. But electron is a atomic level. So only in the atomic level the wavelength can be calculated. For macroscopic levels, the wavelength cannot be what? Calculated.